All right, I'm here with Chao from LoopX at the York Region booth at Collision Conference 2024. How's your show going for you, Chao?
Hi, Mark. So it's a pretty good chance for me the first time to have a booth to showcase my product here.
All right, so without further ado, let's hear what LoopX is all about.
So LoopX is a startup company building intelligent system tailored for the mining equipment to make mining safer and more efficient.
So before LoopX came around, what was wrong with mining equipment at that point?
So mining is an inherently dangerous industry. A lot of safety accident, near misses incidents. So actually, to make mining more safer, so we have to have intelligent system to help the driver see what they cannot see. So we use intelligent kind of like Tesla autopilot or FSD to make the heavy equipment kind of like safer and also can help the operation more efficient.
Okay, I understand. So is it a combination of like sensors and software that's doing real-time analytics on the mining machinery to make sure it's safe and then flagging anytime there could be an issue?
Exactly. We use camera, lidar, and AI to help the driver see they cannot see in the darkness. And also we collect data for safety manager to analyze all those near misses to optimize the traffic control.
Excellent. What's your connection to York Region? Is that where I believe your incubator is from?
So we are in the Venture Lab program. So actually we leverage Venture Lab's resources like the hardware catalyst initiative. So since our product is a hardware-enabled software, so we have to test the product very well in their fantastic testing facility. Also we are in the investment readiness program, which helps us to get the funding received.
Okay, excellent. And what's been the reaction to LoopX here at Collision?
So I think we have the chance to showcase our product with a lot of connection with the global investors. So this is my first time. I'm excited.
And my last question is, how far along are you with LoopX? Is your software, your platform, is it operational now or still in the early or design stages?
So we just launched our product in January this year, and then we received purchase order. We're running a paid trial with a mining contractor in the underground mine in Northern Ontario.
Okay, and then finally, what's the best website for our viewers to learn more about LoopX?
So you can follow our LinkedIn channel, and also you can go through loopx.ai to review our progress, our product.
All right, loopx.ai or on LinkedIn, correct?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Chao. Have a great rest of your show.
Thanks, Mark.